Hello dear friends, welcome to my tutorial. And today's tutorial I want to show you how you can view a password of a connected Wi-Fi. Did you know that Android phones has no option to view the password of a connected Wi-Fi? Sometimes you are connected or you save a lot of Wi-Fi on your phone. Either you are given the passwords, your friend saves the password of their Wi-Fi on your phone, but you use the Wi-Fi, the saved Wi-Fi in your phone, but you cannot view the password of the connected Wi-Fi. Now for today, I'll show you a method how you can view the password of the connected Wi-Fi. Now as you can see, I have connected to a Wi-Fi, and on this matter I cannot view. My phone has no access to view the password of the connected Wi-Fi. Now this tutorial, I'll just show you how you can view the password of the connected Wi-Fi. Now you just go to your phone settings, you open phone settings, then you click on connections. When you click on connections, you go to the connected Wi-Fi. You tap on the connected Wi-Fi. You tap on it like that. I'm connected on this Wi-Fi. Then I'll click, or you click on the settings of the connected Wi-Fi. So I have to click on these settings of the connected Wi-Fi. Now, when you click on the settings, you just note you can get the network speed, the security, and the IP address, but you cannot see the password. Now on this part, I want you to concentrate keenly, and I'll show you a method how you can see the password of the connected Wi-Fi. Now on the same settings of the connected password, you just tap on the QR code. Down here you click on the QR code of the connected Wi-Fi. You click on it, then you view the QR code. This QR code, you can either screenshot it or save as image. As you can see, you can click save as image, or you can screenshot it. Finally, you go back. Now this QR code, it has got a password. What you do after that, you go to any website which deals with QR code scanning, or there is a simple method which you can scan that QR code. You can go directly to your Play Store and download any QR code available. You can install any. On my case, I have installed one for this tutorial. So when you open the QR code you have installed, for example, I have installed this one, you just click on it. Then I'll have to scan the QR code that you have saved or you have taken as a screenshot. So it is already stored in my gallery. So I just tap on gallery, then choose the QR code that I had already saved as a screenshot. So you just make it appear at the center, then you start. You finally notice that this is the password. This is the password of the connected Wi-Fi. That is all about the tutorial today. Hope you've enjoyed. Let's meet again with another tutorial. And please, for the new members, promote my channel. Just subscribe, comment, like, and share to turn on the bell for you to be notified anytime I post a similar tutorial. Let's meet again with another tutorial. Bye.